Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a fitness tracking widget to your iPhone home screen. So when you have an Apple Watch and basically you are using it a lot and you're tracking your fitness using the fitness app over from Apple, and you basically want to have a widget on your iPhone home screen in order to quickly see how much progress you're making through the day, then here's how you can do that. So what you need to do is head over to your home screen just like this. And once you've done that, what you simply want to do is basically just hold down your home screen wherever you want. Basically just make sure you don't hold down on an app. So for example, I have a lot of free space right here. I'm going to hold down just like that. And then all of these apps start to wiggle. Once you've done that, what you want to do is go to the top left corner of your screen and click on that plus icon. Once you've done that, click on search widgets. Once you've done that, type in fitness and we're going to click this one. Once you've done that, you can choose two different fitness widgets and just add the one you like. Once you've added it, you will notice that this widget will now start tracking your progress basically from the fitness app already. So it basically just outputs data to this widget and you can easily see how much progress you are making. So yeah, that's all we need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.